We ride Burke life, baby. Yes, sir. Bond_34 SIT, man. Welcome to the Bond Star page, man. We riding clean, man. Burke life, Top life, Magnum life, everything goes with
and put that in itself.
you too. We got another episode. We at Moores Automotive.
Hey, boy. You need your help.
6 pistons. 6 glass. Sierra Classic 1500. 6 pistons, front and rear. Tierra grill. All they do is motor work. So you know where the Viper motor coming in for the dunk to get all his custom welds at. Yes, sir. Orange crud.
Sweet deal, Dad. Sweet deal, man.
Oil pump. Oh yeah. For the price he asking for, that's a deal.
10 grand, got 28 in it.
God.
Today only. There's 28 grand in it. Look inside of it.
Man. Oh yeah, oh yeah. Oh yeah, and he got the crush bottle in the seat with it. Got the helmet and all, yes sir.
Fuel cells in the back of it and everything, battery.
Golly, fuel cell in the back, y'all.
10 grand ain't nothing for that.
Nah, definitely not. Wow.
Oh, sweet ass 10.
Now,
Yeah,
tomorrow the price is gonna go up.
go up.
About 25. Today only.
Today only, understandable. And this one is a 57.
That's a 57.429. It's got a strip. It's always sewn on the hood. The hood flips up with the back side up.
357 full.
You can't get to it, huh? I had a guy redo the body and everything on it. The motor and everything.
See, nice.
It's loud. It's like this one.
It's loud too, he said.
That's a nasty motherfucker.
He ain't got a Nova out here.
And the Nova's nasty too.
Yeah, I know that Nova nasty. What's happening, YouTube? I'm back with another episode. I'm all over the place today. I'm looking at cars. Oh, man. Man, I know when I go to car shows, I got a spot to sleep at now. Man, look at this. Oh, man. Beds everywhere. Oh, got the bath. Oh, snap. Got a bath and a shower. And I can stand up without hitting my head at the top. Oh, snap. Got a crazy sink. It's actually nice. Look at that. This is wild. It's like a house on wheels. Got cabinets. Food pantry. Dining room tables. What? The dining room table come apart. Oh man, this is game over. And now you got a couch.
This is where the neighbor slept, matter of fact.
What?
And then this one right here.
Whole couch is reclined into a bed. Oh man, y'all know how we pulling up on them 34s now. We got a whole living room, bedroom, the king bedroom. Yo, got the master. We got TV. Look at that TV mount right here.
Oh, outside. Watch. That's the radio for outside.
Oh, you got a radio outside?
Connect your Bluetooth.
Speakers. Oh, up top.
That's the radio station.
I think 93 something. There you go.
Let's step outside.
Oh snap! Got speakers outside for real.
I'll be extension. I can't extend it all the way because the trailer.
Oh snap! Oh, got the canopy. Y'all see it? Y'all see it? Yeah, we're going live. We're going live. And it got lights under there.
The TV right here. The TV you got the
Yeah.
phone on the back.
So the TV slide. Y'all got to see this. Hold on. I'm about to turn the camera around. Hold on. Look at this. He got a fireplace. I just noticed that.
Oh yeah.
Got the fireplace. This is wild. This is crazy.
Exclusive interview with Radio.com Monday, starting at 8 p.m. on Q94.
You can play your phone.
Everything. Okay. So you got a good DJ, man, Bluetooth, TV, cable, stove inside out, hotspot, Wi-Fi.
Chamberlain exits and an incident Mechanicsville Turnpike at Fairfield Way.
Man, this is crazy. I know what I want. And you got the mirror in case you want to get fresh and, you know. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. And look at that. He got the magic thing that everybody wants. That peanut butter. That's crazy. You killed me with that one because I did not see that one coming. And nothing broke, guys, because I know how y'all get. That was just the cover for the HDMI. And we out, man. MTV Cribs is how I'm pulling up when I come to the car show. Man, what's happening YouTube, man? So, yeah, y'all seen it today. We got a couple of whips. I went up to Fredricksburgh, Virginia, had to get some stuff for the motor. My neighbor across the street over there, he showed me his RV and everything. So, yeah, that's what we had going on today. I'm over here looking at Maggie, man. My birthday is on Monday, March 22nd. So, you know, we're trying to get this thing up and running so I could drive her for the birthday weekend, man. So, we see what happens. Plus, there's a couple car shows coming up next weekend on the 27th. So, Daddy got to pull this thing out, man. Aries month, man. So, y'all stay tuned, man, to the channel. Like, comment, subscribe. We about 300 followers away from subscribers, I should say. We're about 300 subscribers away from the 10,000 subscriber giveaway, man. I'm going to start giving out some stuff and start doing some subscriber and giveaway stuff for the channel. So y'all stay tuned, man. We locked and loaded, and man, wait for the new build. We got that. We got the dunk coming soon, and hopefully as the channel progresses, man, we start doing a couple more other things, man. So y'all stay tuned to the channel, Bond_34, and share, like, comment, subscribe, and man, tell all your friends about me. Peace.